I ride my bike.
What kind of bike do you have?
So I picked up this 750-pound shock with adjustable springs, so that'll go from I don't know what, but it can go higher. That 1,000-pound shock on there, I mean, I could jump on it and it barely moves. I can't even get it to move anymore. It doesn't even seem like it's moving at all now. I just wanted to show the old shock, which is this one, and the new shock I'm going to put on. They are the exact same length. You could see I probably maximum pushed this thing in maybe a ½ an inch. You can see the line right there. Now this is the same as that. Let's get this new shock on. The stock bolts do have Loctite on them. This doesn't have much left. The rear swing arm is a little stiff, but it does move freely. So the shock is in and it fit perfectly. And I could tell the difference already. Just leaning on a bike, I can move it a little bit. Hopping on a seat, it definitely absorbs way better. This is with no adjustments on the spring at all yet, so it's just factory set. I got a camera set up. We're gonna go for a ride and see how it works. I suppose I should have did a camera video before I changed it, but it was barely moving. I think they may have miscalculated on what size shock to put on these because there's no fulcrum. It's just a direct push from that wheel, and 1,000 pounds, even 750 seems high, but it's moving a little now and you can definitely feel it. Let's go for a ride. Make sure I can see that shock pretty good. Yeah, that's a pretty decent angle, it looks. You can see a lot of it. Let's go for a ride. Oh yeah, I can feel the difference already. Huge difference. We got a mow deal on today. But what a difference so far. Oh yeah. What a difference. So there's not much preload on that shock. I loosened it about a ½ a turn. Now that's a 750-pound spring, so technically if you loosen that up where there's hardly any pressure on it, it's still going to be 750 pounds, but it's going to be a little lighter. And of course, if you lower it all the way down to there, you lower the bike, give less travel, but it will lower it. And if you tighten it up, it'll give it more pressure than 750 pounds. So I think that's a win. I'm 235 pounds. You may want to go with a lighter shock. If you're a lot lighter than me, definitely should have came from the factory set up like that. I'll put the links in the description below so you guys can grab one up if you feel like upgrading your shock. Thanks for watching Vin Cheezel's MotoCheez channel. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook since my original MotoCheez was shut down. That's right.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.